guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to link Steam account to Hololive Dreams game. So after you launch the game, you have to click on start option and you will get this type of interface. Select the language, click on next. After that select accept, click on next. Here you have to enter your year. Just for example, enter your month and year, and after that click on next. Now instead of login with ID, you have to click on set link password. Click on it. After that, here you have to enter your password. So after entering the password, here you will get the link ID. You just have to click on OK, and after that here you can change your name. So it's saying register player name, so you can register your name. Click on OK. So it's saying start the game with these changes. Now after doing this, you can log in to your mobile devices with the same ID and you can access the game on your mobile devices. So instead of set link password, you have to click on login with ID and enter the ID, and after that you can easily access the game on your mobile device. So by this way you can easily link your Steam ID to Hololive Dreams and you can play the game on your phone, and you can do the vice versa as well. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.